Want to make money on autopilot? Who doesn't? Passive income is one of the best ways to build wealth and grow your net worth. In this video, I'll explore how to make money on autopilot, the best passive income streams, how long it will take to make money, and the amount of money you can make while you sleep. Today, I'm going to show you how to make $100+ per day on autopilot. Before the start of the video, make sure to leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Start a blog or website to earn money. Starting a blog or website is one of my favorite ways to make passive income each month, and almost anyone can get started. With this income stream, you'll need to spend time growing your audience before you will start making any significant income, which can take a couple of years. Once you start to pick up traffic, you can monetize your website using a few methods, such as display advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling online courses or services. Starting a blog or website will cost you around $150 a year to start. This will cover the cost of your domain name and the hosting for the entire year. I recommend using Namecheap to purchase your domain name and SiteGround for hosting. These platforms are rated extremely high and are also very affordable to build any website. If you're growing a blog or website, you might be wondering how to gain traffic to your site. The good news is that there are various ways you can drive traffic to your site. The bad news is that almost all of them will require time and effort to gain steam. One of my favorite ways to gain traffic is by utilizing search engines like Google. Whenever you search through a search engine, it will find relevant content to display to you. Search engines are an extremely reliable way to generate traffic to your site to make money online. Once you've gained steady traffic to your site, you can start to monetize it through display ads and affiliate, like Amazon Associates. Some blogs and websites will do better than others when it comes to affiliate marketing. For example, a blog in the food niche could be a great way to make money with Amazon Associates because Amazon offers a wide variety of food-related products. If you want to monetize your site with another method, selling products or services can be a fantastic way to build your income. Selling digital products on your website is a great idea if you're looking to make money on the internet. It can take some time to grow your website, so don't give up if you don't see immediate results. If you're investing in Google and search engine optimization, be prepared to give your site at least 6 months to grow. Invest in stocks to make money on autopilot. The stock market is one of the best ways to grow your money without working. Depending on how much money you have to invest, it's possible to earn thousands of dollars each year from your investments. When you start investing, you'll want to ensure that you have the money to lose before investing every penny. Not sure where to get started? I recommend using Stash to invest in the stock market. This easy-to-use platform allows you to invest in all of your favorite stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and more with a simple user interface. As a bonus, you'll get $5 for completely free just for registering. Invest in crowdfunded real estate to make money. Crowdfunded real estate platforms like Fundrise are an excellent choice if you want to invest in real estate without all the hassle and headache that comes with owning a rental property. You'll need some money to make money with this investment, however. On the bright side, you won't require much effort at all to make money with this method. Just open your account, link your bank account, and start earning interest on your investments. How much money can you make? In short, it depends. It's completely possible to earn anywhere from 5% to over 10% annually on your investment. Invest in real estate investment trusts. If you want to invest in real estate similar to crowdfunding, real estate investment trusts are a great option. These investments are traded publicly and are treated very similar to a stock or mutual fund. Just like other real estate investing methods, your returns can be anywhere from 5% to over 10% annually. Earn money on autopilot with rental properties. If you're looking for an investment with higher returns, purchasing a rental property can be an excellent way to make money on autopilot. You'll need to qualify for an investment mortgage with good credit and at least 20% down payment on your property. Owning rental properties pays extremely well. It's possible to cash flow an extra $500 a month in income from your rental. Another major benefit of owning a rental property is the tax advantages. When compared to other investments, rentals allow you to depreciate the property and thus pay very little taxes on your income. When it comes to time to sell your property, you'll need to consider the taxes involved. Earn passive income with a high-yield savings account. If you want to make extra money each month without having to work for it, utilizing a high-interest savings account is a risk-free method to grow your money. My favorite bank account is through CIT Bank. They pay over 5 times the national average in interest. This is a great option for anyone, no matter how much money you have to save. Make money with a podcast. Podcasting can be an entertaining way to earn money online. Starting an online business like blogging or podcasting can be super fun and also quite lucrative. Some of the top podcasters can make millions of dollars each year. You'll first need to select a niche for your podcast. You'll also want to pick something that interests you to avoid burnout. Once you've found a topic, it's time to start planning content. You'll want to find topics that keep your audience interested and engaged. Earning extra cash by podcasting comes through a variety of ways. You can use affiliate marketing, advertising spots, and have an accompanying blog to increase your income. Earn cash on autopilot with online surveys. Making money online comes in a variety of forms and fashions. Online surveys are one of the top methods many people utilize to earn cash in their free time. While this method isn't completely passive, some might consider it passive, as it can be done sitting around or during your morning commute to work. Completing surveys is a good way to make money online, given you have a device and internet connection. Survey Junkie. If you're looking for a website with the highest paying surveys, Survey Junkie is your best bet. With this site, you can earn over $50 per survey you complete and over $150 for paid focus groups. Reward Survey. Another great website to earn rewards for taking surveys online is Reward Survey, when you complete your profile and fill out your personal information. Who doesn't want free money? Swag Bucks. With this website, you can earn extra cash and rewards anywhere with an internet connection. Between taking surveys, watching videos, and earning rewards when you shop, there are plenty of methods to make money. Inbox Dollars. With this website, you can earn money and rewards completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and shopping online. Opinion Outpost. This is another great website that pays you to take surveys and give your opinion online. This site pays well, and I would highly recommend it for anyone looking to make extra money during any free time you might have. Pinecone Research. Sign up with Pinecone Research if you want a reliable survey site that pays decently for your time. This site typically pays around $5 for a survey you complete, but they can take as little as 5 minutes. Not too bad. Get cash back on purchases with Ibotta. Sometimes you can make money when you spend money and shop online. The Ibotta app is trusted by hundreds of thousands of users each year to make money when you shop online or in a store. Start a YouTube channel to make money. If you prefer to work online and get paid for your services, creating a YouTube channel is a great way to make passive income. One advantage of starting a YouTube channel is that you won't have to worry about Google changing its algorithm, but you will have to worry about the YouTube algorithm. It's best to create unique videos that resonate with your audience to grow your channel and make money. You'll also need to get your audience to watch the entire length of your videos and like them to move up in the algorithm. Social media channels can be monetized with affiliate links, sponsorships embedded into the video, and by selling digital products through websites. How much can you make growing a social media account? Depending on how large of a following you have, it's possible to make tens of thousands of dollars each month from affiliate links and other methods. Most people who create content will have an accompanying blog or website to boost the money they can make. Before starting your account, you'll want to select a niche that is interesting to you and you have a passion for. For example, I create content around finances, but you might find gardening or another niche more interesting. It doesn't matter as long as you can stay motivated to create the content. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos and I'll see you in the next video.